Well, this is one of our wonderful little purchases that we got on the weekend. As hopefully you can see there, it's a 42-1. We've tracked it down to being roundabout a 1902. It was as seized and as solid as you would ever not want in a sewing machine. You can see the cross member there. It's actually hinged in the middle. So it's a very, very different early model industrial base. The beautiful big heavy wheel on it. So the old adage is, I say, when they're seized like this, oil them up, leave them for a couple of hours, and once you get a little bit of movement, you probably use a little bit of Butch. And this is a perfect example of that. I oiled it and left it for a couple of hours. It started to give a little bit of movement, so I then oiled it again. And then got down there and I could only get about 1/8 of a turn out of it, and it stopped on both sides. So what I did was what's commonly referred to as use a little bit of Butch. So I got there with this old girl and I just got it and just put a little bit more pressure, being very aware that even though it's a big solid machine, when she's seized, she's pretty solid. And she gave out one almighty crack. And I thought, uh-oh, what have I done? So it was then, let's just persevere and go back the other way and backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. And now you can see she's doing everything she's supposed to. And if you have a look at that stitch length, it's damn near a 1/2 inch stitch length, about a 23 needle. So I would say this would be one hell of a darn good leather machine. So now we're going to pretty it up and see what comes of it. But very happy with that, and thank you for sharing this time with us.